Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the IndieZone. My name is Kathy. This is, in effect, a follow-up to a prior episode of the IndieZone podcast, which is now approaching 750 episodes. The search engine on YouTube will allow you to plug in whatever term you may be interested in. If you're interested, for example, in body camera footage. If you plug in body cam, you'll come up with the episode that went over the May 12th, 2023 discovery responses from the state of Idaho that informed the public for the first time that there was apparently no body camera footage from Mr. Kohberger's arrest. To learn some more about what happened regarding his arrest, first, I recommend that you look at the document, the notification of arrest in a foreign jurisdiction of Mr. Kohberger in Idaho versus Kohberger. It's a 2-page document that appears on the docket. It's dated December 30th, 2022. Page number 2, after confirming that Mr. Kohberger was arrested and is in custody in Pennsylvania, the name of Leary, L-E-R-I, appears on page 2. This is a notable name because if we then turn to the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania versus Kohberger, which you can pull up documents that are available for you to review online from Pennsylvania concerning not just Mr. Kohberger's arrest and the extradition proceedings from Pennsylvania back to Idaho, but there's also a lot more new information from June 2025 regarding 7 witnesses from Pennsylvania that the defense is seeking to be court-ordered to appear in Idaho at the forthcoming trial of Mr. Kohberger to serve as their witnesses. If we go to other documents located there, affidavit of probable cause that authorize the warrants to be issued in Pennsylvania was signed by 2 Pennsylvania state troopers, Leary and Knoll. And according to another document from this repository, we see that the law enforcement official who physically arrested Mr. Kohberger is Pennsylvania State Trooper Leary. There has been some information that has come out recently, including on YouTube, of a press conference that officials from Pennsylvania gave, including one who spoke back on December 30th, 2022, when there was a press conference announcing Mr. Kohberger's arrest. The bottom line is that until 2025, Pennsylvania state troopers were not required to have body cameras on them when they interacted with the public. They are only required as of this year. This is the reason, apparently, why Pennsylvania State Trooper Leary did not have a body camera on him when he took Mr. Kohberger under arrest. If you have any comments, please leave them here. All of your comments are greatly appreciated. If you like our content, I would also greatly appreciate it if you could hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, because you should receive notifications when new content comes out. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.